How do you save $100 a month? Five tips. One, you gotta invest your money, whether that's in something automatic like a 401k, an app like Acorns, or if you're doing it on your own in Ameritrade, you gotta invest your money. Every dollar can make 10 cents, 15 cents. How much is that over time? In investing, money pays you. Nothing works harder for you than your money. Two, you gotta set up some residual income. People have all kinds of stuff going on. YouTube videos pay later. It may not pay right now, but it'll pay years later. Creating some type of content, creating some type of course that can be sold in your sleep. You want to make money that can be made in your sleep. While you're asleep, you wake up, you got $100. Number two, just save your money. Of course, you want to invest money, but you just want to have some money that you just save, that you put away, that you have access to. Your rainy day fund. This builds wealth because you can take some of that money and invest it over time. But just having cash on hand is a way to build wealth, because if you don't have any cash, you have a situation come up and then it takes all your money, then there you go. Number four, having some credit. People build wealth with credit because you need money to make money. So if you have some credit, you can buy goods and resell them. And once you resell them, pay back the loan. That's why credit is so important. A lot of people do not use credit to make money. They use credit for consumer goods. They use credit to go on vacation and go party and just buy clothes. Credit is to make money. You take $100, go buy 10 units at $10 a piece and sell those units at $25 a piece, pay it back. You do the math, you know what's going on. And the fifth tip, you also have NFTs. So we have new ways of making money. So you want to make sure you're staying on top of your game and you understand how people are making money and what ways money is changing. At some point, cash may go away, and you want to make sure you're staying on top of everything because you don't want to fall behind, because when you fall behind, it's really hard to catch up.